This has got the Fix-It Guy with a really fast and simple repair to get your stove flame stronger so you have a bigger flame. All I'm doing is just poking into the little gas jet. I remove the burner cap and just used a sharp tool. You could use a straightened paper clip to push in the little hole and knock out the debris. And now when I turn it on, I get a much better robust flame and it lights right away. So this little one has the same problem, barely has any kind of flame, and just dirt and stuff has gotten into the center of it. So I'm just using the sharp dental tool, but again, you could use a straightened paper clip, it would work fine, to open up the little hole in the middle of the brass jet. Here's what the brass jet looks like. Right in the middle is a little tiny hole. I'm just cleaning that out with this sharp tool. And here's another one here, just putting something inside that hole, you wiggle it around, and it breaks free whatever it is, the dirt, the dust, the dried out milk. Here's another picture from the top. This is what the burner head removed, and the little jet in the right hand side of the screen has a tiny hole, and that is what we clean out. This is a picture of a person using a tool to clean out the jet. It's really fast and easy, very rewarding because you have a burner that'll light right away and have a really strong flame. So here's the little one that was giving me trouble, and I'm just digging my tool into that hole and wiggling it around. And then here's the burner on the left, turning it back on. Got a nice strong flame, nice and blue, which we like. Here's one on the right, the little one. Before we could barely see the flame at all, and now we got a nice strong flame. That's just a result of more gas flow. So I hope this helps you. Nice, fun, quick, easy repair, and please subscribe when you get a chance.